Any of us in any relationship, parenting, of course, takes it to the next level because of a million things, which we don't even need to account because everybody gets like, okay, yeah, parenting just takes everything to the next level. Just blew it up. And I know for me in parenting, I got to a point with my son when he was just out of high school. And he and his friends were doing all kinds of shenanigans, and I was like, and I'm like, okay, all your friends are coming over, and we're gonna have a conversation. And of course, he's like, Mom, you're like the most embarrassing mom in the world. I'm like having conversations with my friends. I'm like, yep, everybody in the living room, and just like somebody tell me what's going on. And I said to him and I said to his friends, listen, I get that I have communicated judgment. I get that I have communicated disappointment. Please forgive me for that. Because here's the reality. I'm committed to be with the son I actually have, not the one I think I should have. And what does it take for me to be with the son I actually have? For me, not for him, for me. And that shifted so many things. And yeah, there were things I did not want to hear, frankly. I was like, la, 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 la. And just the willingness to be in the conversation, our relationship took a huge turn. Just the willingness to be in it. And not worry about, well, let me just fix you. Well, if you could just do this. Instead of, I wish you would. It's like, I'm so glad you are. How do I shift that narrative in my languaging? If you could just do this, if you would just do, you know what, I'm so glad you were, whatever it is, to be present with what actually is there, who actually is there. And that's true with our kids, that's true with our parents, that's true with whoever. And spouses, thank you, yes. And I think that's sometimes we get so stuck. It's easy to get stuck, right? Because I know how everybody else should be. Super clear. Very clear. Clear how I should be. And then then there's the stuck. What about what is? What about the manna? Because if the manna is good for the day, that's what's present right now. And do I trust that whatever and whoever I'm showing up with right now is actually the manna? Can I be with what's now? Not like what happened last time, not like what might happen next time. Am I willing to be present? Because if I am willing to be present, that discipline, my own testimony in life is when I'm willing to be present, I have every single thing I need. I'm like fully resourced, even if it's messy, crazy, whatever my judgment of it is, doesn't really matter. Because even in the middle of that, like, oh, okay, got it, okay. So for like any of us in any situation, right, that surrender to be with what is. And to trust that whatever is the provision for the vision. It's the provision. It's right there. Stop trying to rearrange it and fix it. It is the provision. So thank you. Thanks, Mike, for sharing that. Really, though, thank you.